Ready to move your Ethereum from Crypto.com to Uniswap and dive into the world of decentralized finance? First, open your Crypto.com mat and tap the Accounts button at the bottom of your screen to view your crypto balances. Locate your Ethereum ETH balance, then tap on it next. Select the Withdraw button to initiate the transfer process. Now, switch over to your Web3 wallet. Like MetaMask, ensure your wallet is set to the Ethereum mainnet. Copy your wallet address, which is usually found at the top, near your account name. Return to the Crypto.com mat and paste the wallet address you just copied into the external wallet address field. Double check this address very carefully. An incorrect address means lost funds. Make sure the network is set to Ethereum. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer to Uniswap. Keep in mind that there may be a withdrawal fee. Review all the withdrawal details on the confirmation screen. Pay close attention to the address, amount, and the network fee, also known as gas. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. The transaction is now being processed on the Ethereum blockchain. You can track its progress using the transaction ID or hash on a block explorer like Etherscan. Once confirmed, your ETH will appear in your Web3 wallet, ready for use on Uniswap.